Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we change the lock screen layout setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you can see guys your lock screen layout setting in your Poco phone and get this clock style. Guys, you want to change your lock screen layout setting guys, you can change in your Poco phone. And friends, now let's see how to change lock screen layout setting in our Poco phone. In this video guys we will talk about. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So when first of all what will you have to do guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your lock screen setting guys, tap here, again scroll guys, you can see lock screen setting guys, you can see screen lock screen clock format guys, tap here and guys you can see lock screen layout guys, you can change from here guys, you can, so we will change into second option guys, tap here and come back. Friends, you can see lock screen layout will change in your Poco phone guys, you can see new lock screen layout setting. So like that guys, if you want to change your lock screen layout setting you can change. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.